Hey guys, Caleb with Black Pearl Media. I just wanted to talk about this story that you might have heard of that happened the other day. Let's get into it. So apparently the other day, two good old boys down in Kentucky decided to go racing with the new Corvette C8. Mark Durkatz and Alex Thine both were in C8 Corvettes, and they were driving recklessly when the police department pulled them over and hauled them off to jail. Now, the first report said that they were going 71 in a 45, which is a Kentucky standard. Once it's over 71, they don't mark the actual speed. They put down just 71 for reckless driving and haul them off to jail. Update: according to Kentucky, Thine, 27, was caught driving one Corvette at 120 miles per hour, and Durkatz, 30, at 100 miles per hour. There was a third Corvette on the scene, was not participating in the racing. Okay, so the third guy just hit his brakes hard enough. I don't blame them. How could you not do that? If you had two Stingrays out and they're brand new and you're just cruising around, you can't just expect them to just drive around like old ladies obeying the speed limit. Sometimes you gotta go 120 miles an hour. As a matter of fact, I don't think anybody in the car world really blames them for what they do. In fact, I think they're a little jealous. I know I am. I'd probably put the pedal to the metal if I had the opportunity. It turns out that the cars were impounded and somebody from Corvette came and picked them up. We don't know if they still have their jobs or not. I would probably give them a raise. Free advertising, they're ripping around, having a good time, get the name out there, a little bit excited. What can these cars do? I mean, I'm sold. I already want one, but that made me want it even more, to be honest. I hope they get out of jail soon if they haven't already, and I hope they don't get hit with too much of a penalty, and I hope they don't lose their jobs. I saw this on social media, and I had to look it up, get some more information. When I looked on YouTube, there wasn't very many videos about it, so I figured I'd just make one and let you guys know what I read. I think it's pretty funny. Anyways, that's all I had to say. This is day number 11 for our content challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing. It'd be much appreciated. And we will see you on the next one.